Can't adjust the set automatically option for date and time on your iPhone because it's grayed out? It might be due to certain settings or restrictions, but there's a way to fix it. I'll show you how to solve this step by step. Let's get right to it. Before starting, double check that the low power mode is off, as it can interfere with the process. Solution 1. Disable screen time restrictions. Screen time setting can sometimes restrict changes to date and time. Open Settings, scroll down. Tap Screen Time. Select Content and Privacy Restrictions. If Content and Privacy Restrictions is enabled, then simply disable it. Solution 2. Check this advanced setting from Location. Open Setting, scroll down. Tap Privacy and Security. Tap Location Service. Make sure to turn on the location setting on the iPhone. Scroll down. Tap System Service. Scroll down. Find the setting time zone. Make sure to enable this setting. If this is already enabled, then turn it off, then turn it back on again. After that, restart your iPhone. Hope this step should fix the problem and let you turn on set automatically for date and time. If it's still grayed out, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching.